Hello guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you my planner setup. I recently got into actually like making my own custom planner. I used to just buy those from Target and kind of like do all my schoolwork kind of things, but now I got this Louis Vuitton replica, which I got it from, I think it was DHgate. And I'm a college student, so I can't really afford to get a real Louis Vuitton one. But in the meantime, I just got this one because I thought it was really cute. So when you open it, I only have, I got a couple of things. I got this Ollie clip, the leopard one. I got this Ambitious AF PlannerPress card. And then I also got the SweetCaress stickers. I just have those square ones. I have the new, I guess, like teardrop ones. I got the card for when I have to do car payments. I got the cocoa ones, the nude circles, and then I also got the little YouTube stickers, and then I also got the scale ones just in case I need to do like the weigh-ins. I got the memo Cloth&Paper ones just to use if I have any memos to jot down. And then I made this this kind of like planner card from it's from I just created it on Canva. And then I have that, and I also changed the rings on them because the ones that came with it were just too small. And then I have this like little slot piece thing with the slot cards. So on the front I have this Cloth&Paper, the new one, the avocado Ollie clip. And then I got this freebie from PlannerPress that is really cute. And then in the back I have the Boss Ass Bitch from QueenCityDesigns. I have the journaling card Minimal, I think it's called, the Minimalism, from Cloth&Paper. And then I have the Give Yourself Credit, kind of like credit card, which I thought was so cute, from QueenCityDesigns. In the back I just added the ones that I created on Canva as well, which is just custom quotes that I liked. And then I have this like clear protector. And then I got my kind of like my name on the dashboard with the QueenCityDesigns. And then in the back I have this cute dashboard from, I believe it's PlannerPress. And then on my inbox I got this inbox from Cloth&Paper, and then I have their cute sticky notes in the back as well in case I have to jot down something. And then I got this freebie, I don't remember from who, but it's the You Got This, and I just printed it out. And then I have the There Is Luxury and Simplicity from Cloth&Paper, and in the back I printed out this kind of like this cute picture of a girl tech, and then I added the text using Canva, but it's in the back, and it's work hard, stay humble, and I thought it was really cute. And then I have another Ollie clip. And then I got the dividers, the new avocado dividers from Cloth&Paper, and I just added some kind of like the labels from SweetCaress. And then on my weekly I just added 2 months from the Cloth&Paper weekly inserts. And then I just have the year at glance, and I have January. I have just things that I have to do, bills or anything, any reminders. And then on my weekly I just added just things I have to do. This is mostly going to be for when school starts and when I have things to do at work. And then I just have that. And then I have it until February, and then when February starts I'm gonna add March. And I have a couple of daily inserts that I created on Word, and I just use daily inserts when I have a really busy day that I have meetings and I have to keep up with them. So those come really handy when I have busy days. And then I have the dashboard from Cloth&Paper, and then I have the Love and Joy from, I think it's Ash Plants. And then I have the monthly planner, and I printed this out on regular paper and I didn't like how it came out, so I'm probably gonna print out, I guess, like better paper, which is like thicker paper, like the ones that Cloth&Paper uses. And then I forgot to mention that the today dashboard, I just created it. I did it by myself. And then this today kind of like divider, I got it from Cloth&Paper, and I just added the today label from SweetCaress. For my fitness, I'm trying to do the water tracker. I sometimes drink a lot of water and then I don't drink a lot of water, so I want to track that out. I started yesterday, and then my workout tracker, I started yesterday as well, so I just did a little check mark for Monday. And then I do Insanity, so I created this insert that does the fit test, so I do keep track of that. And then I created the running log. Sometimes I go running, so I would like to track if I do better. And then my weight tracker, since it's gonna be for the new year, I'm still not tracking anything, but I'm gonna start this January. And then for the body measurements, I also want to keep track of that, since I do plan to lose weight this new year. And then I also created this printed out on vellum, this LV dashboard. And then for finances, I created a yearly budget kind of like insert that has the month, the income, and then deduct any bills, and then deduct any savings, and then any budget that I have, and then track the spending that I do for that month. And then I also have a bills tracker that I have to fill out today. Just track any bills that I have, the date, the name, the amount, and then if I paid for that month. And then I also have any debt tracker for any credit cards, my car payments, things like that. And then I also want to do a savings tracker to kind of like save more money. And then I also have the lists dashboard that I created on Canva as well. I had these for every other ones. Like I had the other dashboards for this, but I decided to just get rid of those and keep this one. So I just have a shopping list, what I need to buy. And then I created those on Word as well. And then I have an order tracker, any orders that I have, and then just circle them if they got here. And then as for projects, this is a section that is not done yet, but I have printed out some media content. I created this, and then I just based my insert on other, I don't remember the one that I got the inspiration from, but I just created it for myself, and I haven't used it still, but I'm planning to use it. And then on this section, I also plan to keep track of any like applications that I do. Since I'm in college, I plan to kind of like apply for internships or scholarships, so I like to keep track of anything that I apply for. So I did an insert that I haven't printed out. And then I got this like little like little folder from Cloth&Paper, and I have my stickers here. I wanted to get the pocket, but I haven't gotten it yet, so I just have my SweetCaress stickers. I have these, the envelopes, the credit cards, which I think is so cute for when I have credit card bills or any like mail to go or emails. And then my birthday stickers. And then I got the little squares. I got the little, I think it's called hexagons, I'm not sure. And then I got these 2 freebies from SweetCaress as well for Christmas. And then I got these 2 freebies from QueenCityDesigns, which are so cute. So I just put those here. I feel like they're gonna fall out, but I just keep them here. And then I just have this that I created to protect in the back. And here in the back, I don't have anything yet. No. So I don't think I missed anything other than my pen. I created this kind of like, so like, I don't know why, but like this pen loop is like really like stiff, and I can't really like, if I put a pen inside it, like I feel like it's gonna damage my dividers. So I just put that in the back of everything and then like put the pen on the one that I created. I just did I got two elastic, those kind of like elastic hair bands, and I sewed it together, and I sewed it like this, and then I sewed it like this to have that pen right here. And then I'm just using the Sharpie pen, which I recently bought at Office Depot, and it's really like thin, and I prefer it than the, I used to have the other what's it called? I think I used to use this one because I think it looks so much cuter, but I feel like the pen is a little thicker. It comes out a little like it bleeds through, so I decided to use this one instead. I also got some some task cards from PlannerPress that I plan to use with some page flags that I got from Cloth&Paper. But other than that, that is my 2021 planner setup, and I'm really excited to begin this year with my planning. So if you want to have more planner videos or any kind of like how I do my inserts on Word, please comment down below, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.